Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. In today's video, I'll be doing the unboxing and the building of the 1960 Oldsmobile Wagon from Deco Car Co. Opening the kit up here, and first thing is the glass. Here's the small parts pack. It's got the dashboard, the steering wheel, tail lights, fender skirts, and the screws to mount it all together. Here I'm opening up the bumpers. Here's the front bumper. And here's the rear bumper. Here's the body, the interior tub, the chassis, and the wheels are in here also. First thing I'm going to do in building this is I'm going to scrub the body down, get it in primer, and get the paint work done. The paint color I'm going to be mixing up is 1960 Oldsmobile Palmetto Mist. And I'll be doing the roof in white to give it that real classic look. Here's how it turned out after I got the paintwork done. It's been cleared, wet sanded, and buffed. Next step will be to get all the bare metal foil work done. Here it is with all the foil work done. Next, I'll be getting the glass out and fitting it to size and getting it glued in. After that, I made a headliner out of foam, and then I glued that in also. Then I started putting my interior together. I painted the interior in a two-tone, so I did the dark color first, and I came back and did the lighter parts of the seat. The interior tub mounts into the body really nice. You make sure that the two edges of the glass are on the outside. You slide the interior tub in, then you just screw it down on the rear tab. The front, I just glued down like normal up on the front tabs. Next, I did the foil work on my taillights and I got them mounted into the body. I used some 1/16 copper rod to make the axles and I put the chassis all together. I got my bumpers out and detailed them. Here's the before and after. I lined up all the pieces and I screwed it all together. And here is how the 1960 Oldsmobile Wagon turned out. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. I am just finishing up a really cool new custom project that's taken me quite a while to get done. I'm pretty excited about it. I should have the video up soon. I also have been working on another How I Do It video, and I should have that up soon too. So make sure you don't miss it. Stay tuned. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Until next time.